Hello and welcome to Cozy Corner, our vignette. This is hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY home decor. And our co-hosts are Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, Dream with Caroline, and myself, Sandy's Home and Garden. Okay, I'm here in my guest room and I'm going to be decorating the top of this table plus the shelving units above it. There's already a lamp, and I'm going to be adding this home sweet home sign. And then next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful pink and purple flowers in this black vase from the Dollar General. And there's a little bit of eucalyptus leaves in there with it. So I'm going to add that to the other end of the table. So there we go. Next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful white daisies from Amazon in this pretty little white vase. Now I'm going to add these over there by the lamp. Next, I'm going to add this tray, a wicker tray with this Victorian lady. I'm not sure who she's supposed to be, but maybe Marie Antoinette, not sure. But it's a matching powder jar and hairbrush that did belong to my mom. So I'm going to place that right in front of the Home Sweet Home sign. Then from the Dollar General, I have this Martha Stewart water lily candle. So I'll place that in front of the sign as well. So here's what it's looking like so far. Now on the shelf in the middle above the table, I'm going to add this little book nook, which is a flower shop. And it's very detailed. Isn't that cute? Now I have showcased this before, and I have several of these that I put in my bookcase. And this was purchased at Hobby Lobby. And I did put that up on the second shelf, and I raised the camera so you could see it. Now to the shelf, I'm also going to be adding some books. Another candle. Now this one is from Proacticure Sombre, and it is black currant and pineapple. And it smells really good. It was a gift. Next, I have this vintage beer stein that was my in-laws. Now, I also have these hanging greenery that I purchased from the Dollar General, and I want to hang those off the two shelves that's on each side of the one in the middle. And I'm going to add this potted greenery also to the shelf. So it's all coming together. And I'm going to add another one of those potted greenery to the other shelf. And I did just add a little bit of tiny little white flowers to it. The camera wasn't actually set to get a good view of that, but I'll take you closer in a little bit. So keep watching. Okay, next I have some pink and white tulips in another vintage vase with some more books. And I'm going to add some more pink and white tulips in a rattan wrapped glass vase. Next, I'm going to add this vintage radio that was my dad's. And next is this wooden home sign. So there we go. I'm going to show you up close what I've done so far. I really love the Home Sweet Home sign with the white daisies and the candles, and then this beautiful black vase with the pink and purple flowers and the pink and white tulips and all the greenery and some books. Now I still am going to show you what I've added to the bottom of this table. I also have some live plants I have one there on the end, and then also on the other side of the table, I have this bird cage. I love decorating with bird cages, and this one happens to have a little fairy inside it. Isn't that pretty? And now for the finishing touch, I have these peonies, flowers in a basket that I've placed on the bottom. And those I purchased at the Dollar General. And the basket I've had. And then also on the bottom shelf, I have this lantern with a candle in it. The candle has a nautical theme to it that I purchased at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this, how to create a beautiful cozy corner with blooming flowers. Now, if you would, go and check the playlist and leave everyone a kind comment and a like. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one.